Good morning. I'm Professor Thijs Swanepoel, the Interim Executive Dean of the Faculty of Management Science. I want to welcome you, the first year students, for this year 2026. This is an exciting time in our history and in what is happening in the world. So I'm glad you chose to become students here at the DUT Faculty of Management Science. I wish you a very good stay here, and I know you're going to get involved in innovative and interesting things to solve societal problems. I also want to mention I'm glad to see all our returning students. You've been on a journey, second year now, or third, or maybe fourth. I'm glad to see you back safely, and I wish you a good year in completing your studies. So remember, if you have any problems, go speak to your department's secretary or HODs, or you can always go and speak to the Dean Secretary or the faculty office, and if there's something else you want to speak to me about, my door is always open. So welcome here at the Faculty of Management Science, where we gonna do disruptive things, but disruptive with the technology, so that is good disruptive things, and to see how we can change the world economy. Thank you. Welcome.